Hi, I'm Deb Perelman, cookbook author and the creator of Smitten Kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to make Thanksgiving gravy. We've roasted the turkey and we've taken it out of the pan to rest. What we have left here is a mixture of the juices from the turkey and the drippings, and I'm bringing this mixture to a boil. The juices are going to cook off and you will be left with just the drippings, and that's what we want to start our gravy. And I'm giving it a little stir. I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. All right, I'm going to add the flour now, and I'm going to stir this. We're gonna add some marsala. I'm not trying to make a really boozy gravy. I just really like the background flavor. I like the fragrance of it more than I like the actual taste of it. So now here I'm using some turkey broth. You're gonna see this is gonna disappear into the base really quickly. I'm gonna do another ladleful. I just jumped ahead and I'm gonna start adding 2 ladlefuls at a time and then probably more after that. Once you get it to that point where it's kind of halfway liquefied, the base of the pan, you're very unlikely to get lumps and you don't have to be as cautious about adding things slowly. I like a peppery gravy. And this is the magic moment. As it simmers, you can see that the texture immediately changed. And you just make gravy.